Installation. Hi, welcome to the third episode of our Gardena pipeline installation tutorial. In this part, we're going to take a look at installing the pipeline system. Let's get to work. In the first step, we'll take a look at our tools. Prepare a lawnmower, a spade, and some coarse gravel. Here's a clever tip. Mow the lawn and water it beforehand. Especially in warm summer months, this will make your work much easier. Unwind the pipes and lay them out in the sun for 1 or 2 hours. This makes them easy to straighten. Cut the pipes with the pipe cutter to the correct length and remove any dirty cut edges by chamfering the pipe. Make sure no dirt or soil enters the pipeline. Before we start getting our hands dirty, we'll lay out all the components according to our plan. When doing so, start at the water outlet points. Place the connecting point close to your water source. Now connect the elements. Push the pipes approximately 6 centimeters into the connecting part over the sealing ring, creating a watertight connection. Important, the sealing ring is positioned after approximately 4 centimeters. At this point, push the pipe further in. Don't worry, you'll get the hang of it after your first try. Now connect the water stations and the connecting point with a prepared pipe and connectors. Now comes the digging. Use a spade to cut out a V-shaped pipe trench approximately 20 to 25 centimeters deep. When doing so, carefully remove the turf that you have dug out. Lay lines with pipeline components connected in the trench. All water stations and the connecting point must be installed flush with the ground surface. Afterwards, connect the connecting point with Profi system to the water source, in our case a tap. It's of absolute importance to check if all components are connected correctly. To do so, carry out a test run and make necessary adjustments in case of any leaks. Since your new water network will remain permanently in the ground, we have to make it frost-proof. Simply install the drain valves at the lowest points of the system. This allows for easy drainage of the pipes. To improve drainage and protect the drain valve, underlay it with a water drain package of gravel. Now replace the soil, lay the turf on the soil and tread down. Everything will grow back faster if you water the soil and turf. After 2 to 3 weeks, you will not be able to see the system anymore.
Realize your gardening dreams. Gardena.